Hello, math enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Have you ever felt bored or struggled with learning math? Don't worry, because in this video we will learn math in a fun and not boring way. So, keep watching this video until the end and discover the magic behind numbers and mathematical formulas. We all know that math is often considered one of the difficult and boring subjects. However, math is actually the basis of many things in our daily lives, such as science, technology, and even managing our personal finances. In this session, we will discuss one of the most important and fundamental topics in mathematics, which is numbers. Numbers are a mathematical concept used to count or measure the quantity of an object or another thing. In general, numbers can be defined as the quantitative representation of an object or value. There are several types of numbers that you need to know, such as natural numbers, integers, fractions, decimals, rational numbers, irrational numbers, and complex numbers. Let's discuss each one. 1. Natural numbers. Natural numbers are numbers consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on until infinity. Natural numbers are used to count the number or quantity of objects or things that can be counted. 2. Integers. Integers are numbers consisting of natural numbers, 0, and negative numbers. Integers do not have decimals or fractions. Integers can be negative or positive and can be used to count the number or quantity of objects or things that can increase or decrease. Examples are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. 3. Fractions. Fractions are numbers that have fractions or decimals. Examples are 1/2, 3/4, 0.5, and so on. Fractions can also be ordinary or decimal fractions and are often used to measure or divide something in an imprecise amount. 4. Decimals. Decimals are fractions with a decimal point. Examples are 0.5, 0.25, and so on. Decimals are often used in financial calculations, such as when calculating percentages or bank interest. 5. Rational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed in simple fractions or integers divided by integers other than 0. Examples of rational numbers are 1/2, 3/4, 1/3, -3/4. 6. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed in simple fractions and cannot be written with square root. Examples are square root 2, square root 3, and so on. Irrational numbers often appear in geometry calculations, such as when calculating the length of a triangle's diagonal. 7. Complex numbers. Complex numbers are numbers consisting of imaginary numbers and real numbers. Examples are 3 + 4i and 2 5i. Complex numbers are often used in more complex mathematical calculations, such as when calculating electric fields. It is important to remember that numbers have unique mathematical properties. For example, integers can be sorted and counted using mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. On the other hand, fractions and irrational numbers have specific properties, such as converting fractions to decimals, fraction operations, and so on. Moreover, there are other mathematical operations such as exponents, roots, factorization, and so on. These operations are crucial in calculating numbers and are often used in everyday life applications of mathematics. There are several important things to remember when performing operations with fractions or decimals. First, ensure that both numbers have the same number of decimal places before performing the operation. Second, after performing the operation, simplify the fraction or the decimal number if necessary. For example, if we want to add 1/2 and 1/4, we need to make sure the decimal places are the same, so it becomes 2/4 + 1/4 = 3/4. Then, we can simplify the fraction 3/4 to 0.75 if necessary. In this video, we want to help you understand mathematics in a more comfortable and enjoyable way. Therefore, we will provide some tips and tricks to simplify your understanding of numbers. One of them is through visualization. Visualization can help us visualize mathematical problems more clearly and easily understood. For example, when we want to calculate the area of a rectangle, we can draw the rectangle to help us visualize the problem. Additionally, we can also utilize technology such as math applications or math games to help us learn numbers more interactively and enjoyable. Mastering the basic concept of numbers is crucial in learning mathematics. Furthermore, the ability to calculate and manipulate numbers is a very useful skill in daily life, such as managing finances, shopping, or calculating time. Therefore, keep practicing and keep learning. Now it's time to test your math skills by taking the quiz we have prepared. Let's see how far you have understood the material we have discussed in this video. Come on, let's get started. Question 1. What is the result of adding an integer and a fraction? A. Prime number. B. Irrational number. C. Rational number. D. Even number. The correct answer is C. Rational number. A rational number is a number that can be expressed as a fraction where the numerator and denominator are integers. Question 2. What is a number that cannot be expressed as a fraction or a repeating decimal? A. Irrational number. B. Rational number. C. Prime number. D. Even number. The correct answer is A. Irrational number. An irrational number is a number that cannot be expressed as a fraction or a repeating decimal, such as pi and square root 2. Question 3. What kind of number results from raising an integer to a negative exponent? A. Decimal number. B. Fractional number. C. Irrational number. D. Negative number. The correct answer is B. Fractional number. Raising an integer to a negative exponent results in a fractional number. For example, 2 caret minus 3 equals 1/2 caret 3 equals 1/8, and minus 3 caret minus 2 equals 1/minus 3 caret 2 equals 1/9. Question 4. What is the value of square root 16 times square root 81? A. 4. B. 7. C. 12. D. 36. The correct answer is D. 36. Square root 16 equals 4 and square root 81 equals 9, so square root 16 times square root 81 is equal to 4 times 9 equals 36. Question 5. What is the value of 2 superscript 3 times 3 superscript 2? A. 24. B. 36. C. 72. D. 96. The correct answer is C. 72. 2 superscript 3 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8, and 3 superscript 2 is equal to 3 times 3 equals 9, so 2 superscript 3 times 3 superscript 2 is equal to 8 times 9 equals 72. Question 6. What is the result of 3 by 4 2 divided by 2 plus 5? A. 12. B. 14. C. 16. D. 18. The correct answer is C. 16. We start by performing the multiplication first, which is 3 times 4 equals 12. Then, we move on to division, which is 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. After that, we can calculate the result of 12 minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 16. Question 7. What is the result of 12 plus 5 by 3 8 divided by 2? A. 22. B. 23. C. 24. D. 25. The correct answer is B. 23. In mathematics, multiplication and division are performed before addition and subtraction. Therefore, 5 times 3 is equal to 15 and 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4, so 12 plus 5 times 3 minus 8 divided by 2 is equal to 12 plus 15 minus 4 is equal to 27, 4 is equal to 23. Question 8. Is 3/7 smaller than 5/9? A. Yes. B. No. C. Equal. D. Cannot be determined. The correct answer is A. Yes. To compare two fractions, we can balance their denominators. In this case, we can multiply 3/7 by September 9th and May 9th by July 7th, so 27/63 less than 35/63. Question 9. What is the result of 5 superscript 3 divided by 5 times 5? A. 125. B. 625. Circa 3125. D. 78,125. The correct answer is D. 7A125. We can use the property of exponentiation with the same base. 5 superscript 3 divided by 5 times 5 equals 5 superscript 3 equals 5 equals 78,125. Question 10. What is the result of 7/9 plus 5/6? A. 29/18. B. 49/18. C. 69/18. D. 89/18. The correct answer is A. 29/18. First, we need to find the least common multiple, LCM, of 9 and 6, which is 18. Then, we need to convert both fractions to have a denominator of 18, so that they can be added. 7/9 can be converted to 14/18 by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 2, while 5 out of 6 can be converted to 15/18 by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 3. Therefore, 7/9 plus 5/6 equals 14/18 plus 15/18 equals 29/18. Congratulations! You have now become a better mathematician. And don't forget to share your answers in the comments section. Up to this point, we hope you have a good understanding of the topic we have discussed, which is numbers. We have learned starting from the definition, types, and properties of numbers. Then, we have also evaluated your understanding by doing a quiz. By mastering the basics of mathematics, you will be able to solve problems and find solutions in everyday life. Keep learning and practicing to strengthen your understanding of mathematics and never be afraid to try new things. If you find our content helpful, please click the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on other interesting educational videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.